Have you ever wondered how you can elevate your career as a senior product designer? Well, with this little secret, guys, you will be able to rise above the crowd. But before we jump into the topics, let me introduce myself. I'm Michael. I've been designing since over 12 years. I'm doing also mentoring since almost 4 years. And today I'm going to tell you about my journey, how I become a mentor and how it benefits me in my career. As a senior product designer, friends, you have probably a lot of experience to share to junior designer that will be benefit for the community. You have skills and insight that will be a great benefit to a junior designer. Remember when you used to be a junior designer looking for help and advice in your career? Well, this is the chance to give back to your community. And in return, mentoring can provide to you a lot of benefit and value to your own experience and career overall. So let's deep dive into the benefit of mentoring and my little story. You see, guys, I started the mentoring 4 years ago and deeply 2 years ago. The benefit is huge for my career. I'm starting to having more senior position, more lead position because of that. And the reason why I choose to start the mentoring is because I wanted to help the new generation of designers to grow. I saw during the pandemic a lot of junior designers coming into the work because they want to change career. And all these people are looking for advice. Those advice I wish I had during my career. But now I'm in the position where I can provide those advice to this junior designer. So I found different platforms to start the mentoring. Starting to look at ADP List, for example. That's a great platform, totally free for the mentor and for the mentee. You can start today to look for a senior designer to talk today if you are a junior designer, or if you are a senior designer, you can apply to become a mentor. That's actually pretty simple to start today on ADP List. That will be my go-to first. It's not the only platform, of course, but this is probably the most popular today. Personally, I'm also doing mentorship on Open Classroom, where all the courses are already written and I don't have to provide any document or courses. The only help I provide is to show up as a mentor every week with a mentee. The most important of the benefits for me is I have the possibility to see an impact on the new generation, to build a community like we talked today. And all these mentees become sometimes, not all the time, of course, but sometimes they become friends. They become eventually co-workers. I am very happy to see they are growing in their different career. With the mentoring, you can expand your network. It's not a one-way situation. You are building a relationship of trust, and on the long run, you're going to build a community around yourself. And this will be also benefit for your career too in the future. This is extremely rewarding for your motivation and your sense of accomplishment. Be part of this growth of someone. For example, I used to mentor a junior designer a couple of years ago, and now she's in position of lead designer, and I'm very proud of what she became. I was here at the very beginning of their career, and it's not a question of ego, it's just a sense of accomplishment in general that you be part of this journey to this person, and you can shape the future of the new generation with simple advice and simple boost confidence that all these junior designers needed, and you used to be in this position to remember. Now I can see so much impact I had with these people, and I feel so great about that. Now we know the benefit of becoming a mentor as a senior product designer, but maybe you are a junior designer. So feel free to reach out to me for mentoring session. I will be happy to help and talk to you on different platforms. You have all the link below. And if you are a senior product designer, start your own mentoring program. And remember, you not only help other designers, you help yourself to build a better skill of communication, of relationship and management that will be benefit for you to become maybe a lead or a design director. Guys, it's time for you to give back. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you are a design mentor, let me know below your experience and how it helps you to build your career. And if you are a mentee, of course, don't hesitate to reach out to me for mentoring session. I will be very happy to guide you and to help you in your design career. Alright guys, that's all for today. Don't forget to check the last video and see you soon. Click here for the next video.